What a remarkable journey it has been. Can you believe it's already been 14 years since Parrots-English first took flight? From our humble beginnings, we've grown into a vibrant community full of learners and teachers, all united by a love for language and culture. Our journey has been filled with exciting challenges and breakthroughs, and we're only just getting started.
It's truly inspiring to be part of an organization that has grown and positively impacted so many lives through the power of English education.
Over the years, we've helped countless students succeed, and it's all thanks to the hard work and commitment of our incredible team. Together, we've built something truly special, creating lasting change for learners around the world.
To our valued students, we just wanted to take a moment to send a heartfelt thank you for your wonderful trust and incredible support. It has truly brightened our day and means so much to us.
The milestone reached is a testament to your hard work and unwavering support. Your involvement, positivity, and dedication have impacted our journey and success.
Your enthusiasm and commitment make a significant difference, not just for you, but for the Parrots-English. We are deeply grateful for the partnership we share. Your active participation and encouragement contribute immensely to creating a nurturing and inspiring environment.
The progress and achievements we see are a reflection of the collective effort and support from families like yours.
Thank you for being a vital and treasured member of our community. We truly appreciate the role you play in making it special.
Here's to celebrating many more milestones, embracing new opportunities, and sharing in future successes together.
Happy anniversary, Parrots!
Happy anniversary, Parrots-English!